Around 1 a.m., OKC police spotted 62-year-old Donald Ray driving without signaling. When officers tried to pull him over, he sped off, hitting 65 miles per hour and running stop signs. A TVI maneuver ended the chase, sending his car spinning into a yard and crashing into a parked vehicle.
Managing.
Still looking down, so probably past the parking. No traffic, no place to be. Spread to go on this.
Charge 72, near along West Street.
Okay, he's taking back off. Trying to TVI, we're westbound on 23rd Street. He's driving down the side of the road now. We're going to go back into the neighborhood. Southbound, North Carolina. Picking up speed, still in traffic. Westbound.
Charger.
Charger right now, westbound, coming up the highway. You see the 3 yield signs in the traffic.
Number 30 unit. Air 1.
Westbound on 21st Street. And the stop sign is about 40. Still westbound.
Come up the line.
Traffic coming up to 23rd again. Speed about 60. Right into 23rd. It's going to go straight.
Few days with them.
Another TVI.
Get out of the car! Pass me, stay in the car! Driver, out of the car!
car, hands up. Walk backwards towards that side of my car, now. Turn around and walk backwards. Walk backwards.
George, 701090.
Still got traffic coming up to 23rd again. Speed about 60. Straight into 23rd. Yes, straight. Another TBI. Back. Driver, get out of the car! Driver, get out of the car! Get out of the car! There's two. Okay, I didn't see her at all. Passenger, stay in the car! Driver, out of the car! Two. Out of the car, hands up! Walk backwards towards that side of my car, now! Turn around and walk backwards! Walk backwards! Walk backwards!
We got the driver out. We're going to
Quit tensing up. Real quick.